Welcome to our latest video. Today we are talking about top 5 best drone on Amazon under $50. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. All the links of the drone are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Introducing the TENSSENX TSRC X7 Quadcopter, the ultimate drone for both beginners and experienced pilots. This incredible GPS drone is packed with features that make flying a breeze. Let's dive into what makes the TSRC X7 stand out. With its 1080p HD camera, capture breathtaking moments from above. Whether it's a family outing or an epic landscape, you'll get crystal clear images and videos. Experience real-time FPV, first-person view, with super-fast 5G transmission. Enjoy enhanced stability and clarity as you control your flight. Lost track of your drone? No problem. The TSRC X7 features an auto-return function, ensuring your drone finds its way back home safely. Plus, with the Follow Me feature, the drone will effortlessly track your movements, making it perfect for capturing action shots on the go. Worry about being a beginner? The TSRC X7 is designed for easy flying with features like altitude hold, making it stable and easy to control. Just take off and enjoy the views. And with 2 batteries included, you can extend your flying time and enjoy even more adventurous moments in the sky. Whether you're looking to explore, capture stunning footage, or simply have fun, the TENSSENX TSRC X7 Quadcopter is your perfect companion. Get ready to take your aerial adventures to new heights. This drone has 4.4 rating and 18,000 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this drone to you. Don't miss out. Click the link below to grab your TENSSENX TSRC X7 today. Happy flying! Feel free to adjust any sections to better fit your style. Welcome to the world of FERIETELF. Today, we're diving into the incredible features of the TENSSENX drone. This compact beauty comes equipped with a 1080p HD camera, perfect for capturing stunning aerial shots. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, this drone is designed for you. With one key takeoff and landing, getting started has never been easier. Just press the button, and up it goes. Experience amazing stability with altitude hold. This feature allows your drone to maintain a steady position in the air, so you can focus on capturing the perfect shot. And for those new to flying, the headless mode makes it super easy to control. No matter which way your drone is facing, just push forward to go forward. Easy peasy. Want to impress your friends? The TENSSENX can perform amazing 3D flips at the touch of a button. It's all about having fun. Thanks to the gravity sensor, the drone will automatically adjust its altitude based on your hand movements. It's perfect for beginners wanting to take control. Whether you're flying it solo or sharing the joy with family and friends, the FERIETELF TENSSENX is perfect for everyone. Great for kids and adults alike, it's your new go-to gadget for adventure. This drone has 4.4 rating and 1000 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this drone to you. So, are you ready to explore the skies? Grab your FERIETELF TENSSENX drone today and take your flying experience to new heights. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tech reviews. Fly safe and happy adventures. Feel free to adjust any sections to match your style. Introducing the RADCLO X28 mini drone. Your new adventure buddy that fits in the palm of your hand. This compact drone features a stunning 1080p HD camera, delivering crystal clear images and videos. Perfect for capturing your favorite moments from thrilling angles. Ready to fly? With just one touch, you're airborne. The RADCLO X28 is designed for both kids and adults, no experience needed. Experience stable hover technology, ensuring your drone remains steady even in light winds. Fly with confidence. Want more control? With gravity control, you can guide the drone intuitively, making it easier to navigate the skies. Let the drone do the work. With auto follow mode, it tracks your movements automatically, freeing you up to enjoy the moment. Draw your flight path. The trajectory flight feature allows you to trace a route on your screen and watch your drone follow it with precision. Capture every angle with the 90 degrees adjustable lens. Switch up your perspective with ease. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a complete beginner, the RADCLO X28 is perfect for family fun. Double your flight time with 2 batteries included. More flying, less waiting. This drone has 4.4 rating and 1000 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this drone to you. Elevate your adventures and capture breathtaking moments with the RADCLO X28 mini drone. Order yours today and take to the skies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more amazing drone adventures. Introducing the DEERC D20 mini drone, the perfect gift for adventurous kids. With a sleek design and vibrant silver finish, the DEERC D20 is not just a toy, it's a gateway to a world of fun and exploration. This mini drone is equipped with a 720p HD FPV camera, allowing you to capture stunning aerial views in real time. Just imagine the memories you'll create. Thanks to its altitude hold feature, keeping the drone stable in the air is a breeze. Perfect for beginners, it lets kids focus on the fun. With headless mode, navigating is easier than ever. No need to worry about which way the drone is facing, just fly and enjoy. Getting started is simple with the one-key start feature. Just press and go, fast and fun. Plus, it offers speed adjustment for all skill levels. Whether you're a novice or a pro, there's a speed for you. And wait until you see the 3D flips. Just press a button to perform exciting aerial stunts. With not one, but two batteries included, the fun never has to stop. Double the flight time means double the adventure. This drone has 4 rating and 1000 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this drone to you. Whether it's for a birthday gift, holiday surprise, or just because, the DEERC D20 mini drone is sure to bring endless joy. Get your DEERC D20 mini drone today and watch your child's imagination take flight. Introducing the Swifsen C-1 FPV Drone, your ultimate adventure companion. Whether you're a kid or an adult, this mini drone is the perfect gift for anyone who loves to fly. With a compact design and lightweight build, the Swifsen C-1 is perfect for beginners and experienced pilots alike. Let's dive into its amazing features. Equipped with a 1080p HD FPV camera, you can capture breathtaking views from above. Experience the world through the eyes of your drone. Controlling your flight is super easy. With one key takeoff and landing, you can get started in seconds. No complicated setups, just pure flying fun. Worried about keeping your drone stable? The altitude hold feature allows the C-1 to maintain a steady altitude effortlessly. Perfect for capturing those epic shots. And if you ever lose track of your drone, don't worry. With the auto return feature, it'll find its way back to you safely. This drone has 3.8 rating and 2000 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this drone to you. Looking for a fantastic gift? The Swifsen C-1 is ideal for birthdays, family gatherings, or just a fun day out. Everyone, from kids to adults, will love.
Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.